Well, the Far From Frozen exhibition was developed by Otago Museum, and they approached us a few months ago because they really wanted to get this wonderful exhibition out touring around the rest of the country. So as a science organisation based here in the capital city, they asked us whether we'd be interested in hosting it so that people in Wellington could also experience the content. Well, Antarctica is really, really important because any changes in Antarctica can actually have a big impact on the rest of our planet. We know that the Earth is warming up, and what happens is that the poles of the Earth actually warm up faster than the areas in the middle. And so by looking at both the areas around the Arctic and at Antarctica, we can try and work out what's actually happening. And the big issue is that if it gets so warm at the South Pole in Antarctica that the ice melts, and that's going to have a really big impact on the rest of the world. Well, there are lots of different elements, so some really fun elements, so you can try out what it would be like sleeping inside an Antarctic tent. You can put on some of the clothing. You can look at profiles of Antarctic researchers and learn about the science that they're carrying out and some of their key results. But there's also really great technology. So we have a sand pit that you can develop contours and make the land and hold your hand over it to make an extreme weather event, to make it rain and see what happens to the water. You can see what would happen by lifting up the ice sheet, so what would happen to our planet and to Wellington in particular if the ice sheets melted. And we've also got some really cool virtual reality headsets to get a 360-degree view of what it's actually like if you were down there in Antarctica. As well as this, we've got lots of cool information telling us about the truths of climate change, what's actually happening and what we're doing to our planet and what we can actually do about it. So it's a really great opportunity to learn about Antarctica, to learn about climate change, and also to learn about how we can adapt to our changing planet in the future. Well, the exhibition itself was developed by Otago Museum with support from Antarctica New Zealand, the University of Otago and the New Zealand Antarctic Institute. It was produced with the support from the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment's Unlocking Curious Minds Fund. We're very lucky here in Wellington that we've been able to bring it to Space Place also with the support of the Deep South National Science Challenge. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to all of our wonderful volunteers who are helping us out during the run of the exhibition, and to some of our Antarctic research scientists who are here hosting the exhibition and doing panel discussions and Ask a Scientist sessions for us so that we can bring this fantastic science to life.